Hello everyone, so today I'll explain how to easily and quickly transfer files from Realme C67 to iPhone using a tool similar to AirDrop. So while direct AirDrop transfer between Android and iPhone isn't available, we can use alternative service called Snapdrop. So first of all, ensure that both of the devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, otherwise this method won't work. Now open the browser on your Realme C67, it can be anything, I will use Chrome for this one, and let's enter our snapdrop.net. Snapdrop.net. Alright, now you gotta press on Snapdrop and let's do exactly the same move on our iPhone. So don't worry about that, it's not a downloadable app, it's just a web service, so you don't need to download anything and it's quite easy to use. Now use your Snapdrop on our iPhone. Alright, open up your Snapdrop and wait for your phones to detect each other. So as we see, they already detected each other, which is a really good sign. So our Realme has a name of Copper Elk and our iPhone is named Copper Elk as well, but okay. So let's press on our iOS, press while using the app because we need to give all of the permissions to do this. So now we can choose media from a following: camera, video, sound recorder, or media picker. I'll choose this option. Now choose any file. For example, let's choose the screenshot. And as you see, it was received on our iPhone. Easy as that. Now press save. Confirm your choice by pressing download and your file will successfully downloaded. Easy as that. Alright, so if you want to transfer your files from iPhone to a Realme phone, so first of all on your iPhone, do exactly the same move. Tap on your Realme. Now you gotta choose files, take photo, video, or photo library. Let's pick photo library for example, and let's pick this screenshot. And as you see, we just received it. Now press save, and the screenshot was successfully saved and added in our gallery. So let's open up our Google Photos and let's check on that. So here are our collections and here is our screenshot. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.